Hi, I'm Chris.
And I'm Amanda.
And today we're going to teach you how to
make a Minecraft server in under 5 minutes, completely free.
Yeah, typically you'd go and pay for a Minecraft server and have someone else host it, but we're going to teach you how to host your own free server. So let's get into it. So I'll be going with you for the first part of just downloading a server and starting it up in order to actually have a server. Later, Amanda will come in and teach you how to be able to play with your friends. So you're going to want to go to the Minecraft.net download server page, and you're going to want to click download and then this link right here. And whatever version it is, you can click and then it'll just start to download. So when it's all done downloading, you just want to make a new folder on your desktop and just copy and paste the download into that folder. And then once you double click on the Minecraft server download, it opens up the server, EULA, and logs. So now what you're going to want to do is go into EULA, the text document, open it with whatever, I just use Notepad, and set it to true. And Control S, and basically what that does is just agrees to the terms and agreements, whatever, that's fine. Okay, so now if you open it, this pops up, and what this basically does is creates the world. You can kick people, you can make people mods, you can, basically this is your command line right here, and if you want to stop it, you just go down there and you just type in stop, enter, and it closes the server once everything's done saving. Now we have a server that only people on your local network can play, but we want people who live all across the world, anywhere, to be able to play. So why can't we do that right now? If we open up server, this text document, as you can see here, the server IP has nothing in it, so no one can connect to you. So how do we fix that? Well, let's hand it over to Amanda.
So the next step from here is to open up the Windows command line, which you can do by going to the start menu, typing in CMD, it will bring up the command prompt. And in here, you want to type in IP config. And when you do this, it'll bring up a list of IP addresses. You want your IPv4 address. Type it next to where it says server IP in the notepad. So mine is 192.168.0.199. So next, you want to open a new window in whatever internet browser you use. Chrome is best. So you want to type in your default gateway IP address here, which ours is 192.168.0.1. So when the page loads up, it should be on a login screen for your router, and you want to type in your username and password so you can get in here. And I will do that real quick. Okay, so here we are logged in. To go to advanced and then port forwarding. And here, mine automatically entered itself, so I don't know if yours will do it the same way or not, but if it does not, then TCP and UDP you both want to have as 25565, and the name of your server should be Minecraft, since it's a Minecraft server, and then your IP address here should be the default gateway address. And then once you have everything typed in, you want to make sure that this box right here is checked off to make sure that it is up and running. And then from there, you want to save and exit. At this point, you should be able to run your server, and other people on different networks should be with your IP address.
So that's it, guys. That is how you set up your own server without having to pay for someone to host it. Now, you can just host it, but make sure your computer's on, because if your computer's off, people won't be able to join the server. So whenever you're ready to play, you can just tell your friends and y'all can get on at the same time. Or you can leave your computer running and people just can come and go whenever they please.
And if you run into any problems or somebody cannot connect, make sure you have the right IP address in the right spot, because there are multiple different IP addresses. And they're pretty similar to each other. Sometimes it's easy to get them mixed up. Just double check you have all the numbers in the right place. Make sure that your TCP and UDP numbers are the same and it is the right number. I believe it was 25565. It should be on both of them.
And adding with that, sometimes it won't be a separate TCP UDP. It might be TCP/UDP, or it might be port 1, port 2. You just want to make sure anything like that is always 25565, and then you'll be good to go.
That's right.
So hope you guys enjoy your server, and I hope you enjoyed the video and you learned something. So see you later.
Bye.
3, 2, 1. I'm an alligator. As you can see here, this is Amanda.
Yes, that's me. ChrisPalmer.dithub.io. It's a typo. It says DitHub like 3 times. And if you run an